Professor. This is our programming project final. Project will need to complete a GUIs, which is right here. So it'll prompt you with your login screen. Your login screen is right here, displaying your username and password. And then you will click your submit button if you type that information in. If you do not have that, you have your create account option, which will have your create new employee and your create new shopper. If you're to create a new employee, you will first type in your username, your first name, your last name, and your email, and you click submit. Once that button has been submitted, it will take this information right here and display it into the database under that will display it into employee login. If you were to create your customer, we would do the exact same thing as employee, except you would put your username, your password, your first name, last name, your email, and your address. And that will display this information into the database under customer login. The shopping page is displayed right here. After here, all right, there's your search bar, and here's how much if you want of that item. And here's the list of items right here. And what this would do is it will take this information and save it into your cart. And the cart will be saved somewhere in checkout as well. Next thing you would do is your checkout. So checkout will be right here. Once you have chosen all the items you want, you'll be prompted to go to your checkout, which will display all the items you have right here and how much the price is. And if you're satisfied, you will click the submit button, and it will say, are you sure you want to check out? And of course you have to say yes. And it will say your confirmation and your order for however many items for however much the price was successfully completed. All right, good. And the next thing that would be here is after checkout would be your pending orders. So pending orders right here for employees only. So if you're an employee logged in, you go to your pending orders. If a new order popped up, it will display right here. You will select it. And if you are ready to confirm that order, you will click submit, and the order has been marked as complete. And that orders is actually brought from the database. So if there were orders, it'll be displayed here in the database as well. For item modifications, go here, and there's a bunch of options. So you can search for whatever item you want. You can also find out if you want to modify or remove an item by putting in the quantity, the new price. And if you want to add an item, you put in the name of the item, however much you have of the item, and the price of that item. And then add item. And then log out. So once you have successfully went through the shopping page, you've purchased your orders, or you've got an employee and you want to log out, you go here to your logout, and you would log out and the page will close. Yep, that's pretty much the final. Thank you for watching.